Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Grammarly keyboard. To add the Grammarly keyboard on device, follow these steps based on a platform. The Grammarly keyboard works on both iOS and Android, offering grammar and spelling suggestion as you type in any application. For iOS, download the Grammarly application. Go to your App Store on your phone and search for Grammarly keyboard. Now, select the application and install it. After that, open the application and log into your Grammarly account, or create a free account if you don't have one. The app will guide you through the setup process. Go to the settings on your iPhone and tap on General and then Keyboard. After that, find Keyboards option and click on Add New Keyboard. From there, you can select Grammarly from the list. In the keyboards list, tap Grammarly keyboard and enable allow full access to Grammarly so that it can provide feedback as you type. Now, open any application where you type like message, notes or email and tap and hold on the globe icon which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. From the list, select Grammarly. The step is also same for Android. Download the Grammarly application from the Google Play Store. After that, log in and then enable the Grammarly keyboard. Go to Settings, System, Language and Input. After that, go to Virtual Keyboard and click on Manage Keyboards. There, you will see Grammarly. Toggle the Grammarly keyboard on. When typing in any application, open the keyboard settings, typically by tapping the keyboard icon on the notification bar. After that, select Grammarly. Once set up, Grammarly will provide real-time spelling, grammar and writing suggestion as you type in any application. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.